Hey guys, today we got a fiberglass truck cap by Covermaster. It's a mid-roof design. Fits the Dakota long bed, 8-foot bed. It's white in color, although it's been hand painted paintbrush white. So it was blue, as you can see there. Somebody has painted it with a paintbrush. So it's not the prettiest girl to dance, but it is definitely not tore up either, so it's no holes, no cracks, just painted by hand with a paintbrush. Has some peeling spots. A lot of this we power wash. We power wash some of the paint off, but some of it's not going to come off. Half side sliders in the side. This is what we'd call a hunter special. Just need something to go hunting with and keep your gear dry. That's what this one is. The paint started to come off up there with a power washer and up there, but I think it would take some effort to get the rest of it off. Sliding window in the front. Like chips and I mean it is what it is. The paint underneath looks really nice, so I think they just painted over a good looking cap. It doesn't look like they used any prep work because, like I said, the power washer took a lot of it off. No holes, no cracks. Just a crappy paint job. Half side sliders on this side as well. Single T-handle locking rear door. It is tagged in here if it's the 87 and 96 Dakota with the 8-foot bed, but honestly it should fit about any Dakota with the 8-foot bed. They were all the same, pretty much the same sizes. Inside's just bare fiberglass. No screens on the windows. Front sliding window. No screen on this window. Because it is a mid-roof design, does go a little bit higher in the center there. So it's a mid-roof design fiberglass top. Fits the Dodge Dakota trucks with the 8-foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website. You can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, those are available on our website for purchase as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, you're waiting for something to come in, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as we get inventory in, so you want to subscribe below to keep up to date on what's coming in when it gets here. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.